In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master HubSpot quotes in a way that's truly worthy of a masterclass. We'll be guiding you through a refined, strategic approach, packed with expert tips to help you use quotes like a pro. HubSpot Quotes offers a streamlined way to convert deals into beautifully crafted, shareable proposals that include pricing, product details, and even options for e-signature or payment, all integrated directly into your CRM. The great thing about this is that it saves you time and reduces the likelihood of manual errors since it automatically pulls in relevant data. To get started, we'll walk through 4 easy steps. First, you'll need to set it up, but don't worry, this is a once-and-done task. Head over to the settings, then navigate to Objects, and click on Quotes to tweak some basic options. Here, you'll decide whether quotes can be paid before they're signed, how totals should be calculated, like using the full contract value, and set a default email address and expiration date for all your quotes. This foundational setup ensures that you have a smooth experience moving forward. Next, let's create your very first quote. Begin from an existing deal in HubSpot. Once you're in the deal, HubSpot smartly pulls in details like contact and company info for you. All you need to do is go to the deal sidebar and click on Add Quote. You have the option to either choose an existing quote template or start fresh. Here's where you add your line items, review and adjust the totals, and customize as needed. Once that's done, you can send it as a web page link or download it as a PDF, making it easy to share with your clients. Now, if you want to take your quoting game to the next level, you can add some power features, which, while optional, can be quite handy. If you're set up with HubSpot Payments or Stripe, you can let your customers sign and pay directly on the quote, simplifying the process for both parties. For those using HubSpot at the enterprise level, consider setting up approval workflows. This requires manager approval before quotes are sent out, and HubSpot can automate transitions and set up tasks based on the approval status. You can also customize templates and snippets to build reusable tools that keep your quotes consistent, branded, and quick to create. Finally, let's automate and track everything to stay on top of your sales process. Use workflows based on quote status, perhaps notifying your team when a quote is signed or paid, or even moving the deal to the next stage automatically. You can track engagement by seeing when quotes are viewed, signed, or paid, which allows you to follow up effectively. Consider using custom deal fields, such as project details, and flow that info into your quotes using snippets. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering HubSpot quotes, transforming your sales process into a seamless, efficient, and professional experience.